Hi guys, today it's me and my sister. Say hi. And we have a lot of fidget spinners. I'll leave it just. Yeah, and we have a is that a Batman one?
Yeah, Batman, that's my one.
Yeah, that's yours. That is mine. Just leave it. And that is mine, the gold one. And that blue fidget. Well, these all are fidget spinners, and that one's our fidget roller. Let's test them out. So just leave it all. It's like run out of battery or something. So go for that one first. Spin it. Wow, it goes fast. So now try this blue one. They're different. What?
You hear that?
Yeah, they're different sounds. Wow. So let's try like that one up and try to spin that one up.
This one?
Yeah, spin it. Wow. It changed colours as well.
It's here like this one, this one.
Yeah, it's better than these two. Yeah. That one lights up and it's gold. Wow.
Wow.
Okay. Whoa, it's changed colour. Changed again. So let's try this one. You don't have to do it, don't you? And that is a different one.
Whoa!
Try it again. Oh, that I'm gonna try. Let me try.
Whoa!
Yeah, you can do super tricks.
You can do this trick.
Wow. You want to. So, what's your favourite?
Mine's favorite, the gold one.
The gold one. Guess what's mine? Which one?
I don't know.
This one? This one? This one? Or this one?
Or this.
This one?
Yeah.
Yes, it's mine as well. You got it right. Oh, this one's quite cool. Oh, but this one's quite cool.
Yeah.
Well, that cost £2. That cost £3. That cost, what was that, £1? And that cost how much? £2? £1? Yeah. And now I will do another one where we get the rainbow one.
Yeah.
Super, yeah. The rainbow one.
Yeah, I love rainbow.
So guys, we're going to end the video here. So see you guys. And like this one, just for the end. So spin all of them. Spin that one, then this one, then this one, and then that one. No, just leave it there. Quick. So see you guys. I'll go back and sit and see ya. Say bye.
Bye.